How to manually add a contact on CRM HubSpot. To manually add a contact to your HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your HubSpot account and navigating to the main dashboard. Once there, locate and click on the Contacts option in the main navigation menu. This will take you to your contacts list. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Create Contact. Click on this to begin the process of adding a new contact manually. When the Create Contact form appears, you'll notice that the email address field is at the top. It's crucial to enter a valid email address for the contact, as this is a key identifier in HubSpot's system. Without an email address, the contact's functionality within HubSpot will be limited. After entering the email, proceed to fill in as much additional information as you have available. This may include the contact's first and last name, phone number, company name, job title, and any other relevant details. HubSpot allows you to customize the properties that appear on this form. If you need to add or remove fields, look for a link or button that says Customize Properties or something similar. This will allow you to tailor the contact creation form to your specific needs. Once you've entered all the available information, simply click the Create Contact button at the bottom of the form. HubSpot will then create the contact record and immediately take you to the new Contacts Profile page. On the Contacts Profile page, you can review the information you've entered and make any necessary additions or changes. This is also where you can add notes, log activities, or associate the contact with deals or companies. Remember that keeping your contact information up to date and as complete as possible will help you get the most out of HubSpot's CRM features and improve your overall marketing and sales efforts.